Okay guys, welcome back. A few weeks ago we deployed Microsoft Exchange as our email server, and today we'll be deploying Cisco Email Security Gateway on Microsoft Azure. So we'll be using a PowerShell script and then we'll integrate them together to work as a part of our Email Security Gateway solution. There are about 10 procedures to complete building Cisco Email Security Gateway on Azure. I'll guide you through each step, and please note that I will need to blur some sensitive information, but I will ensure that you can understand and do it yourself. There's a document from Cisco that was published in May 2023, which provides steps and prerequisites. For example, you will need to have at least Microsoft Azure account and credential. You have to have ESA license. You have to install web browser or application to launch Azure portal. As you have seen, there are 7 steps in the guideline, but actually there are about 10 steps. And the steps to configure carefully are step 8 and step 9. You need to ensure that you copy the correct application and tenant IDs. And also, I didn't use a command to get a token because I've already done this before. I simply used my old credential in this lab and it worked perfectly. And lastly, there may be some errors at the end, although I have tested my Cisco ESA and it was fully functional. But if you wanted to check for any errors, you can open the case and contact attack engineer. So let's get started. I'll create my resource group using the GUI, and then I'll proceed to use my own PowerShell script that I have shown you earlier. I will start to use PowerShell script from step 2 to step 10. And if you want a completely understanding, you can follow the Cisco guidelines step by step, or you can just customize my script by changing a value inside, such as the resource group name, VNet, or NSG, and just pasting the script into your own environment. Once you have complete configure your resource, you will need to gain a connection to access to Cisco tenant. And this is the error that I have mentioned earlier. And we just need to check if we can have a virtual machine inside our resource group. And if that's possible, the next step is to associate the public IP address to our VM and allow NSG access to our ESA. And if you can access both CLI and GUI to perform the initial config. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.